Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you 5 looks with the new holiday palette from Pat McGrath, the Mega eyeshadow palette from her Luminous Legends collection. If you want to know more info and details and swatches, it will be in my first impressions video that is already live on my channel. Today we are going to just be diving into some looks. I can't open it, could you tell? So today I'm going to be using every single shadow in here so that you can see this entire palette on my eyes in action, see how the shadows and the shades look on my lid and how I'm using them together and the sort of looks that you might be able to get out of this palette should you choose to purchase it. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so there you have it. Every single shadow in this palette has now touched my eyelid. Please let me know which your favorite look was out of the 5 that we did today. Mine is definitely 5. That's why I left it till last, so that it could be the look that I wore today. You know me, I'm a neutral, boring girl. I can't fight it anymore. But I hope this helped you if you wanted to see the shadows in action, see what the shades look like on the lid and how they work together, and also get some ideas if you already own or have picked up this palette for some looks that you could do. All of these were very easy. If I can do it, you can do it. So give it a try and let me know how you get on and which was your favorite in the comment section down below. But I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I would love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.